Well, here's the garden. Let's go have a look. Let's take a look at the cucumbers. I got the cucumbers on this fence right here. It's about 6 foot high. They're doing wonderfully. Focus in on one right here. There's one there. There's one up there. It's August 8th. We have been harvesting for the past week or so. We got the cattle panel as an arch. Again, cattle panels, love them as supports. And on this side over here, we've got the green beans on the fence, 6 foot high, right off the cattle panel. We got the cucumbers on the right side here, and then we got the green beans coming up on the left side. Meeting right in the middle. Look at that. Fantastic. Got some raised beds. I did have some cabbage and broccoli and stuff in there, but that darn white moth, all those cabbage worms, just ripped them out. I don't think I'm gonna grow those anymore. There's the tomatoes. And the cucumbers. I got sunflowers in front of the cucumbers over here. Sunflowers in front of the green beans over here. Doing great, doing wonderful. Loving the look, loving the support, the cattle panels. Got some corn over there. Anyways, just a little garden update. Oh, I planted some. The project this year was peanuts. So most of them took, and they're just starting to put on these little flowers right in there. So hopefully we're going to get some peanuts. But there you go. There's the cattle panel trellis. Loving it. Having a good time this year. Bye.